Here's how to fix Facebook Marketplace unable to change or confirm your age. First is go to the settings and privacy and click on the settings options. Afterwards, you will be redirected to the account center. Under the account center, scroll down until you see there the personal details options. What you need to do is to click on the personal details. Under the personal details, you will be redirected on the details that you have on your Facebook account. What you need to do is to make sure that your birthday is exactly that you are 18 years old and above. Because if you're not 18 years old and above, you can confirm your age on Marketplace. Now, after confirming that you are from Marketplace, that you are 18 years old, you can now go ahead and redirect yourself to Marketplace and click on Create Listing and Sell Things, or you can just go ahead and buy some things to the Marketplace application to the FB. Easy and smart.